Hey man, it's your boy the Jones, man. You already know who it is, man. We got something special for you today. We got my mom's special sweet potato pie, man. The best sweet potato pie in the world. I must tell you. I've had a lot of sweet potato pies from different places, different stores, man. This ain't your store-bought joint, you know what I mean? This ain't your Patty LaBelle even. This ain't your mom's sweet potato pie. Sorry. This is the mom's sweet potato pie, man. If you know me, you can vouch. If you had it, you can vouch. You already know what it is. Let's go ahead and dig in, man. Amen. How y'all doing today? You know what I'm saying? What y'all got going on? It's like that, man. I can't even hold you. Get you some more, fam. Is you good, fam? Hey, man. Every Thanksgiving, sometimes on Christmas, and then sometimes randomly you'll get these pies, man. You better be thankful for when you get them. You know what I'm saying? They always gone. And this boy's freshly made. Just came out the oven like 10 minutes ago. Know what I mean? So it's super fresh. It's almost falling apart, still fresh. You know that? It'd be nice to give you another bite. Yeah, it is. Y'all snacking on right now, you know what I'm saying? Late night snack for us older people. Y'all young ones, you gonna be eating at 1 o'clock in the morning. For us older people, now we about to draw the line, you know what I'm saying? I don't know about y'all either, but when you get towards the crispy bits is the best part of the pie, man. These are one of them ones where you don't even care where you at, fam. If you was in a restaurant eating your mom's favorite pie, you would put your feet up at Crackle Barrel and rub your tummy, tum. Yeah, love the crispy bits, man. Back to the crispy parts, yeah, be me. Hey, man, you know it's King Big Back over here, so I love anything sweet. Sweets are good, man. But I just gotta stay away from them, you know that. Sweet potatoes go hard. Sweet potato pie, man. Hey, that was fire, man. It's your boy the Stones, man. You just had the world's best sweet potato pie, man. Super fire, man. 10 out of 10 on this one. Off the scale on this one, man. It's one of them pies to where it's like, you know nobody else can make a better one. You know what I mean? It is what it is, man. Peace out, man. It's your boy the Stones, man.